What up guys, it's Dan from AutoMotivationZ here to show you a brand new feature to my 2021 Audi S4, and that is my AWE track exhaust that I got just recently. Now I had a place put this on this time. I didn't do it myself, which you guys know I usually do it myself. A little too much work than I wanted to do. I'm getting older, I don't want to do that anymore, so I had somebody else do it. It turned out being the right situation, the right deal, because it took them a long time too. So here's what it sounds like, and I'm going to do a couple of clips of this. Here it has a nice deep growl to it. It sounds really good. Of course the other side as well. And we will set it here. I'll give you some reps. So what do you guys think? I mean, I think it sounds really good. It sounds deep, it sounds mean, it sounds like the car should sound. And just on idle, I mean, it even sounds good too. I mean, listen to that. I found that, you know, if you have it in manual mode, you do get a lot more kind of depth to the sound. It sounds a little bit better in manual mode, but definitely you get the crackles and stuff on the downshifts if you leave it in regular mode. So just the standard S mode. Now this did not come from AWE. I mean, it is AWE exhaust, but I bought this from a forum member, so I didn't buy it direct from AWE. And I got a pretty decent deal on it. I got it for $1,100. It is retails for about $2,000. So not a bad deal. You know, almost 50% off, and I think it sounds amazing. Here it is again. Really like the sound of it. So you guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, definitely subscribe to the channel. I have lots more stuff coming. Definitely a lot of stuff with the S4. Here's the S4 again in case you haven't seen it. The 2021 Audi S4. Got about 25,000 miles on it. And liking the car so far, but as you know me, I'm always looking for my next car. So sounds good, it looks good, get a lot of compliments on the color. This is Quantum Gray, and they no longer make this color. So if you want this color, 2022 was the last year they made it. Pretty similar to Nardo Gray though, and they don't really make anything that is like this anymore. And we'll just get a shot here because it looks really good in the front. And I've had this shot multiple times, but it just looks too good to not do it. And you can see the headlights right there, just looks cool. So you guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. I have lots of stuff coming, like I said before, lots of stuff coming to the channel. I'd really appreciate a subscription and a like. If you don't like something about what I'm doing, let me know. Say, hey, you know what? Your video is garbage. You're in the sunlight when you're talking to us. I can't see you. Can't see that ugly mug that you got going on. I'm always looking for better ways to, you know, do my videos, for feedback of what you guys want to see on the channel. So let me know if you guys have anything that you want me to do. Shoot it in the comments below. If not, I will see you guys on the next one. Later. So this is going to be the driving impressions of the AWE track exhaust. Now I have everything in sport mode, I have it in dynamic, and we're just gonna take off, we're just gonna drive, and you guys will hear what the exhaust sounds like just in normal driving. So we'll just start out in regular sport mode, and as you can hear, it gets pretty loud around 2,500 RPMs. I would say that if you're not used to really loud exhaust like I am, you might not like that. It does hit kind of a resonance at that area, and it gets really loud. Now when you put it into manual mode, which I'll do here in just a second, you'll see that it will really kind of amp up that sound. And I really like it. I think it sounds good. But I'm also kind of weird, which you guys know. So I might not be the best judge of character on that, but I really like this exhaust. I think it sounds good. It's how the car should sound from the factory, I think. Now we got the new little gimbal on here to kind of twist it so you can see my face rather than just watching the boring you know, road the whole time. But as you can see, we are driving on a relatively standard road. And here we go. All right, we'll put it in manual mode and you get to hear it. So as you can see, I mean, it quiets down a lot. Like I'm going 62 right now, and it's not intrusive at all. I mean, you can hear it. We're at 2,200 RPMs right now, and it's not terrible. Like I said, for those people who enjoy a very quiet cabin, this is not going to be for you. You can still hear some drone. Like when I do that, you can hear it. But that's not all the time. So if I'm just kind of on the gas a little bit, yeah, you can hear it. But I don't think it's terrible. My RS3 was way worse than this. And, you know, oh my gosh, people, seriously. I will never understand why people pull out in front of people like that and then go 15 miles an hour. I don't understand it. Nope. I never will either, because that's just not the thing you do. You can wait. No cars behind me. Yeah. Oh my gosh, and then she cuts me off again. Wow. People are just not cool these days. And then she goes under the speed limit. Had to pull out in front of me. Had to cut me off again. Yeah. But it gives you a good idea of what the exhaust sounds like. And you do get some crackles when you let off the gas, but not a lot. But a few. So, I mean, it does sound pretty good, and I'll shut up so you can hear it, but, yeah. And, you know, it kind of just makes me want to follow people and just understand why you're so stupid. because you're so stupid. But we're not going to do that. So that's what it sounds like. I think it sounds really good. Inside the cabin sounds really good too. Not like the X3M when I got exhaust, and I didn't even know I had exhaust inside the cabin. Kind of awkward moment when I started that car up for the first time. I was like, oh man, this is not okay. So you guys, that is the rest of the AWE exhaust video.